3D printing is one of the latest trends in manufacturing technology. It is an innovation that's changing how we make things. This simple process of creating objects by adding layers of materials on one another has grown so vastly over the years that no wonder it's being called as the reason for the dawn of the third industrial revolution. The manufacturing world is constantly evolving, and additive manufacturing, as we call it, is the next big step. I am Rohan R, founder and CEO of Addere Creations. Let me share some of my insights on the 3D printing industry that I have gained over my experience of 6 years. As of 2022, the 3D printing industry market has a valuation of over 650 crores over the world. Companies from various sectors are getting into this technology, understanding its true potential. With the rise in this technology, the 3D printing industry job market holds particular promise and opportunities for candidates focused on careers in engineering, design, computer and information sciences, life sciences, and more. Making its way into the fourth industrial revolution, or as we know it, Industry 4.0, additive manufacturing will impact all our lives directly or indirectly. My team at Addere Creations and I would like to invite you to join us and take your first step into the world of 3D printing.